Hello everyone, today we will learn how to register a click listener on Polyline and show an info window when it is clicked in Android. So first of all you will have to create a project in Android Studio, going to File, New and New Project. Choose Google Maps activity template. This will create a project with Google Map activity. Since I have already created, so going to the Maps activity, this is onCreate method which is called when activity is created. I have implemented onMapReady method. This method is called when Google Map is loaded successfully. So once Google Map is loaded, I am adding two polylines to the Google Map, polyline 1 and polyline 2. Here I am giving tag 1 to line 1 and tag 2 to line 2. Also I am making clickable attributes true for both of the line so that these lines respond to the click events. Now I have created a custom class, custom polyline. This class is having three attributes: a polyline, its name and description. So whenever we will create objects of this class, we will have to provide a polyline, name and a description to the constructor of this class. Now I am going to create custom polyline objects for line 1 and line 2 that I have added to Google Map. So going back to Maps activity, here you can see I am creating object of custom polyline for line 1, giving it a name 1 and a short description. This is green polyline. Similarly, I am creating custom polyline object for line 2, giving it a name 2 and a description. This is red polyline. And you can see I am adding both of these objects to an array list. I have declared this array list in the top, and you can see its type is custom polyline. So this array list will hold custom polyline objects. Here you can see tag and name of the polyline are same for both of the lines. So I will use this attribute for comparison in the next few lines. Now I am going and one thing more, that here I am pointing camera to this point and setting its zoom level to 16. Now I am coming to the most important part of this tutorial. Here I am implementing onPolyline click listener interface. Now it's asking to provide implementation to onPolyClick method of this interface. So click implement methods, choose onPolyline click and click OK. So this is the implementation of onPolyline click method. This method is called whenever a polyline is clicked on Google Map, and this is true for all the polylines that are added to Google Map. So if you want an assumption that a polyline didn't respond to a click listener, you will have to make clickable attribute false for that specific line. Since in this case I want that both of the lines should respond to the click event, so I have made clickable attribute true for both of the lines. Whenever a polyline is clicked on Google Map, this variable returns that polyline, and this variable is having some important features of the clicked polyline. For example, we can extract an array of all the points that the polyline is composed. Similarly, we can get color, end cap, ID, its tag, and so many other features of the clicked line. Now I am putting my logic here. I have already prepared the code, so I am going to copy that code and paste it here. Here you can see in this line I am calculating midpoint of the clicked polyline. Then I am traversing array list which contains objects of custom polyline class. In this case, this array list is having two objects for line 1 and line 2. Here I am getting object at index A, and in this if condition I am getting name of this object and comparing it with the tag of the clicked polyline. This is very important condition. Here I am getting tag of the clicked line and comparing this tag with all the names of the objects that are stored in the array list. So once it is matched, I am getting description and other attributes of that object and putting a marker in the middle of the clicked polyline. And here I am showing window of the marker. In this line you can see I am removing marker if it is already there. One thing more that I would like to explain is these few lines of code. Here you can see I am sitting on map click listener and removing the marker. This means that if a marker and their info window are opening for a polyline and we click elsewhere on the Google Map, it will remove that marker and their info window. Now the code is ready and I am going to test it. So right click on Maps activity and run it. So the code has been run successfully and you can see I have added two polylines, green and red. Now when I will click this line, it will show a marker and its info window having the description of this line. So you can see marker and its info window having the description of the line. Now click this line. So you can see the description of the line. Now when I will click on Google Map, it will clear this marker and the info window of the marker. So let's click here. So the marker and their info window was removed. So in this tutorial we learned how to register a click listener on a polyline and show info window when it is clicked. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you.